Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 6 presentation assembly. It's Friday the 28th of May and we're here to celebrate all of those Year 6 who have been working so hard over this past 7 weeks. Yes, we've been at school. School has been open for the whole 7 weeks, so well done everyone, and well done to all of these Year 6s who are earning themselves certificates. Let's have a look at them now. So we've got Mr. Davison. Look at these guys. Look, for geography, look, we've got Nellis, we've got Ellie, we've got Harlow, Leah, Daniel and Ella. Brilliant guys, really well done, working so hard on your geography. I know that and I see the way that you're presenting it as well. It's absolutely superb. We've got some science here, sorry for Daniel. So Daniel, well done buddy for your science there as well, cross-curricular as well. So really well done guys, keep working hard, fantastic. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today. We've got maths, look at these mathematicians. Look, we've got Katie, we've got Lola, we've got Neve and we've got Mason. And I know you guys have been telling me about your scores and your math scores as well, and your arithmetic tests, and how they're improving week on week. Really well done. You guys I know are working so hard and you've had fantastic past few weeks as well with your scores, so well done. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today. Superstars. Reading stars. Now not only you know that Year 6 is, not only are you going to take a certificate home with you, but you'll be taking a reading book home with you as well, because you guys just love reading, but plus you deserve it. So we've got Tedas, we've got Emily Rose, we've got Scarlett and we've got Jamie. Look at Scarlett, head in a book. That's what she's like at school as well. Not only at home, but she's doing that at school as well. So really well done. Enjoy your reading books over this half term, and after half term, tell me all about them please, because it'd be really nice to find out what you thought of your new books you'll be taking home today. Well done. English stars, these guys working really well in English every single day. So we've got Leon, we've got Ruby, we've got Emily, and we've got Sophie. Absolutely brilliant guys, well done, keep it up. The presentation is phenomenal as well, so thank you from Mr. Allen as well, really well done. Mr. David, look, PE stars, look at these guys being really fit and then doing their best at every PE and games lesson as well. We've got Kenzie, we've got Amelia, we've got Nikolai, and we've got Nassim. Absolutely that, because I know that when I take you for games on a Wednesday. Really trying hard, keep that up guys, and over this next week, see if you can get yourself out and be really physically fit over this next week, because the weather's going to improve. Well done, enjoy taking the certificates home, you four. Miss Percy's, look at Miss Percy's English stars. Look at these guys again. Look at Miriam's writing. Amazing. Look, so we've got Chloe, we've got Lorenzo, we've got Caden, and we've got Miriam. A brilliant 7 weeks from you four, working so hard every single week. Well done and well deserved. Thank you. Moving on. Reading stars. Now these guys, these are the ones going to get themselves a reading book as well as their certificate. Well done. We've got Damien, we've got Frankie, we've got Sky, and we've got Alex. Big smiles on your faces, so you should do. So enjoy your reading books guys and enjoy taking those certificates home. Congratulations and well done. Superstars. PE stars, look at Miss Percy's PE stars, these fitness fanatics, look at them. So we've got Caden, we've got Callum, we've got Nikita, and we've got Cody. I know that because these guys are brilliant. When we do our circuit as well, they absolutely never give up, and you can tell that by their really red faces at the end of it as well. So well done guys, enjoy this next week, getting out, being physically active, so well done. Thumbs up Cody. Brilliant. Geography stars, again, massive amount of geography has gone on this 7 weeks, so really well done to these four girls. Well done. So we've got Taylor Lee, we've got Isabel, and we've got Deanna and Zara. Really well done guys on your geography, working so hard every single week. Keep up that attitude in the next half term as well, please. Well done. Math stars, look at these mathematicians. Okay, they have been working feverishly at their maths, and I know that they've been doing amazingly. We've got Edric, we've got Lewis, we've got Carl, we've got Sky Louise. Superb. Edric just told me, 40 out of 40 in his latest arithmetic test. I can ask for no more, Edric, so really well done. And lots of you really improving your score, so well done all four of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Superstars. On to house points. Here we go, top 3 in each class. Here we go, look at these, we've got the house points. So, Mr. Davison's class, we've got Amelia on 120, we've got Ellie on 125, we've got Harlow on 130 house points, a huge number of house points. Zara May, 126, Jana Marie, 128, and Edric on 134. A huge number of house points there, really well done. You 6, stand up, let's give them all a massive cheer in Year 6 now. Well done guys, fantastic number of house points. You're going to multiply that by 5, because that'll work out how many merits that they've actually earned this 7 weeks. So really well done, huge congratulations, well done. We're going to say goodbye to a couple of children as well here, look. So we've got Damien, look. Damien's off to high school. He's off to his high school because he's finished now here at Mile Cross Primary School. He's going to have a half a term in his new high school, getting ready for high school in September. So he leaves us today. Brilliant, Damien. Really, really well done, buddy. Huge congratulations. We'll all be saying goodbye to you today. So all best of luck. Everything that you've learned here at Mark Cross, please remember and put in place in your new high school. And then they'll really be impressed with you as well. So good luck. And then I know we're going to see you right at the end to say goodbye as well. We'll do the Leavers, disco and barbecue. But really well done. All the best and good luck in your new high school. Final child, Lewis as well. Lewis, it's your last day as well, buddy. How sad. It's so sad for you two, but we know full well you're going to go on to your new high school and be prepared and be ready for September. Be really, really ready. Look at you working so hard as well. So keep remembering all those things that you've learned here at Mile Cross Primary School and take with you your new high school. We're going to miss your nice smiley face and all those really inquisitive questions you're always asking me. So well done. Goodbye, Lewis. Goodbye, Damien. Hope you have a fantastic time at your new high school, and we'll see you for the Leavers barbecue and disco as well anyway. So well done, guys, and bye-bye. Right, attendance leave. Let's have a little look at the attendance leave. Let's see where these year sixes are. Come on, year sixes. Come on, let's have a little look at this. Mr. Pinner, Miss Arthurton, and Miss Barrett. No year sixes just yet. Here we go, 11th, 10th and 9th. Mr. Ackerman, Miss Hawkins, and Miss Begum. Still doing well, look, we're moving up. 8th, 7th and 6th. Miss Ruffle, Miss White, Mr. Davison, there you are. 6th place, moving up slowly. So well done, Mr. Davison. Getting up that leaderboard, so keep it up. Come on, new year sixes. Moving up. Here we go, Miss Musselwhite and Miss Cook, you're up year 2 and year 5 in 4th place. No Miss Percy's just yet. So, there you are. Joined 2nd place. Miss Percy, look. 61 points with Miss Marshall with year 1. So well done, you year 6s moving right up that leaderboard. Heading up the top though, Miss Hall, those reception children are still showing the way. So come on, year 6s. We've got 6 weeks after half term. Try and be in every single day. See if you can move Mr. Davison up the board and Miss Percy even higher up. Come on, year 6s, you can do it. We've only got 6 weeks left of your primary school. Make sure you're in every single day. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Finally, well done, everyone. Fantastic, everyone. Really well done. Lots and lots of certificates earned. Really, really proud of you all. Well done, you year 6s. We're off for this next week. We're on half term. The weather's going to be really nice. Let's get out there, really enjoy it. We're back on Monday, the 7th of June. Until then, everyone, bye-bye now.